Paraiso Pueblo, Marbella's modern hillside village, located in the heart of Benahavis municipality. Peace and privacy in a country setting close to beaches and golf. 10 minutes from Puerto Banús and Marbella town. Imagine your own Mediterranean village with modern style and comforts. Tasteful open-plan homes with marvellous golf and sea views, and with indoor and outdoor entertainment areas in a secure, gated community designed for family enjoyment and the perfect escape. Paraiso Pueblo is a modern Andalusian lifestyle concept with a full range of state-of-the-art amenities: pools, water cascades, indoor spa and gym, CrossFit and yoga, kids club and play areas, sports court, panoramic pool decks, and a clubhouse with club, restaurant, bar and community shop. Modern style and comfort await within a village ambience, where breathtaking amenities and reliable support services help to create a greater sense of community. Paraiso Pueblo, a natural expression of modern Andalusian living. Relax, play,